welcome to your reading. Let me share the information with you. We have the Two of Cups. We have the Fool card. We have the Chariot card, which is lovely. And we have the Angel Answer card that we picked last week as well, which is Take Action. So this with the Chariot card, these are energies regarding movement and momentum and action and doing things, you know, that definitely doesn't feel like any stuck energy this week. It feels like things are continuing to move forward. You're continuing to move forward and take action. Let's have a look at the first one, the Two of Cups. This could mean a choice or a decision. So twos can mean that. But this could be a relationship. Now, because it's a general reading, it could be a new relationship. It could be an existing relationship that's going to another level, that suddenly you're having different conversations, you know, you're connecting more, you're understanding each other more, you're respecting each other more. So yeah, that's nice. That's sort of, you know, coming to a different level with a relationship, an existing one. But like I said, it could be a new person coming into your life. It could be romantic because we've got the cups here. It could be friends, could be work, could be some sort of creative connection or collaboration. Whatever the relationship is, it will be caring and loving, and it could be quite deep. And, you know, it's like a meeting of the minds, it's meeting of the heart, meeting of the soul. Beautiful. You've got this here that depicts like an angel. You're being guided and protected with this. So whether this is you reconciling an existing relationship or taking it to another level or a new one coming in, it's like meant to be. There's a bit of fate and destiny going on here. A lot of happiness though between these two people. So perhaps it could just be like coming to some sort of agreement, connecting. Yeah, it just feels really lovely and really deep and heartfelt. The other thing to say about this card, and I sometimes get it with the Lovers card as well, is that at this point in time, this could be you coming back to you or understanding yourself on a completely different level. Maybe you're doing something now in your life, or you're making decisions where you're treating yourself better. Yeah, that's just dropped in, where you are loving yourself more, you're being kinder to yourself, you're not beating up on yourself so much. So this could be you understanding your mindset more, understanding your innate talents more, your gifts, your purpose, your mission more, and therefore treating yourself differently as a result of this new understanding. That feels quite important for some of you. Whatever that is, this is leading you to a better place, a happier place, a more joyful place, a more uplifted place, because this energy is very much about freedom and uplifting, moving you away from the third dimension, moving you away from all the old stuff, the old patterns, you know, all the old constructs and the old narratives, and into a lighter, brighter, uplifted, higher frequency. So whether this is about you understanding yourself, appreciating yourself, or coming back to yourself, or a new relationship, my word, it's really opening a door for you. New adventure. It's going to be fresh and bright and light, and an opportunity for you to let go of things that you were just done with. You'd had enough of all of that. Now with the Fool, you do have to take this leap. You have to take a jump. It's not something that just comes to you. You sit in your armchair or your chair at home in front of the TV and, you know, waiting for something to happen. It doesn't work like that. This is about being courageous, making that jump, taking that leap, going for it. You know, when you don't know what the outcome is going to be, when you don't have everything lined up, everything organized, you don't have all of the answers. When you don't have that stuff, you do it anyway because in your heart and soul it feels right. And that's all you can go on. And this is what the fall is all about. It's taking that leap, it's being courageous, it's making that jump, it's having faith and trust in who you are. It's not just leaping for the sake of it, but it's leaping if it's something in line with who you are and your deepest desires and your deepest dreams. I love this energy this week. It's so nice. So we've got the Chariot, which is forward momentum and going for it and going like, yes, here I am, here I go now, taking action. It's about taking action. It's moving forward. Last week I talked about inspired action. This is it still holds true. It's not going too far one way or the other way. It's not going too extreme. It's being very clear and very focused, and this is what's important to me, you know, not being swayed too much one way or the other way. Doesn't matter what other people are doing, doesn't matter what other people are saying. You do what you want, how you want, in the way that you want. This is what this is all about, these energies. Being true to yourself. But the thing I love about the Chariot card is it's a card of victory. It has success and victory sort of all interconnected and woven into the energy of this card. So whatever this is, this new start, this new beginning coming in, you have a fantastic chance of success and victory here. Now, nothing is ever guaranteed because we could be handed things on a plate in front of us by the universe, but we can sometimes self-sabotage. But you have every chance to be really, really successful and victorious with this new start, this new beginning. Now, just going back to the Two of Cups briefly, this could be an offer in some way. So an offer, an invitation, a proposal, an invite, something that says, come on, come and do this with me, or do you want this job, or do you want this promotion? Let's connect together, let's write a song, let's create music, there's all those sorts of opportunities here attached with this. So it could be a loving and a heartfelt and a soulfelt offer and opportunity coming your way as well. And this is definitely the energy that I've got here with these cards. Is definitely feels good, feels really, really good, guys. And it's kind of if you do get that coming in, it's a yes, go for it. Absolutely go for it. I hope it's a great time for you, and thank you so much for watching.